Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So first and foremost, I hope everyone is well and just really taking this time to reset on a lot of things. I know it's been absolutely overwhelming and I have to apologize for not posting last week, but with everything going on, I had to just figure out schedules with work and homeschooling. It's just been nuts. So I wanted to film today a what's inside my Yves Saint Laurent envelope bag, and I also wanted to do a review and just share with you my personal opinion about this bag. This way we kind of just get away from it all for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is bring up the bag to the camera so you can really take a look at this gorgeous gray with the gold hardware. I don't think I would have liked it as much if it was in silver, but I thought that the gold was just absolutely stunning. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. And I will also be inserting pictures of the bag, just using it outdoors so you can really see that gorgeous gray, because sometimes the camera doesn't really pick it up. Okay, so let me show you what's inside. So it is a snap closure. Now I do still have the sticker, which I need to take off pretty soon. So the first thing that you will find is a scarf, and I'm just being cautious with everything that's going on. So I do wear a mask when I'm at work, but I've been using the scarf when I go outdoors to run like errands. And then I'm going to share with you quickly a sneak peek so you can kind of take a look. Now I do have a thing going on, which you guys might find it a little funny. So what I've been using lately for a wallet, especially for my bills, is another YSL accessory, and this is a bill pouch. I absolutely love this piece. I love the color, and that's what really caught my attention, just like the bag. So what I want to do real quick is just share with you the two together in case you want to get an idea of the two different color hardwares. So you have the gray with the gold, and then you have this hunter green with the silver. I have to say though that I think if they would have had this in the gold, and I don't know if they do, it's also a color and a hardware that I probably would have picked up as well. Just because I like the combinations. I've been really getting into a lot of SLGs and much smaller handbags in color, different color leathers. I have to blame my Chanel card case and my Gucci Mini Marmont bag, which is in this gorgeous green with the gold. And every time I know I'll go to the stores, or if I see something online and it's colorful, I love it. So this is a great piece too, because not only can you use this for bills, but you can also use it for paperwork if you like. It is deep enough that you can stuff it as much as you like. So it has an exterior pocket here in the front. So what I do with this exterior pocket, I just use it for receipts. I went food shopping the other day, so that's why it's in here. This way I know to take it out at the end of the day or the end of the week when I'm transferring any expenses I've had in my planner. So I like that. Now it has the zipper in the middle, and the interior is black, which I also like, and this also has an interior pocket. And I just have two cards. I have my blood donor card, and then I have my pharmacy card. So that's what I carry in there. And then of course, cash. So you have plenty of room to store more bills or paperwork, whatever you like. So I really like it. So I will make sure to link for you the information where to find it. All right, now as far as my license and credit cards and health insurance card, this is where the theme comes in. I am using my two YSL card cases. I absolutely love these. I've been having these in my collection for the last couple of years, and I think they're so worth it. Now the reason why I have two is because one is for business and the other one is for personal. Each one contains pretty much the same thing: a credit card, actually two credit cards, and any membership cards. My personal one though has my Nordstrom's card, and then in the middle here is where I keep my license and my health insurance stuff. Now I just want to bring up again the bill pouch so you guys can really take a look at all these amazing colors with the different color hardware. So let me do this again, see if this makes sense. Okay, so you have the green with the silver, the blue with the silver, and then the black with the gold. I love these. So if you are considering an SLG and you are considering YSL, I highly recommend it because they're so worth it. The leather is amazing. Okay, I also have my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder. Anything that you find that organizes your keys is worth it. Louis Vuittons are great, but there's other brands out in the market, but I just think this is a time saver and it's worth every penny. I like it that it keeps it organized and I can always find my keys. I remember back in the days when I used to have like that bunch of keys with all these strings that I used to do. I forget what that was called. I don't remember what that was called, but it was like plastic string. I used to braid it. I don't know what it's called, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, please let me know. But I used to have like 15 keys with like all the string hanging out. I don't think I could ever go back to that. But this is a lifesaver. I love these. And I will be doing a review on that piece with another one that I have. So stick around for that. I also have here my Trident cinnamon gum. I am craving a lot of like chips lately. It could just be a combination of emotional eating, and I tend to snack quite a bit. So especially when I'm like stressed, I don't know if you guys have this problem, but when I am stressed, oh my goodness, it's like get the chips, get the ice cream, get it all. I want it all. So I was told once to chew cinnamon gum so it can help you with your cravings. I don't know if this is really accurate, but it does tend to help. So in case you guys have my problem, check it out. So this is the Trident cinnamon. Trident is actually my favorite brand when it comes to gum. All right, moving along. I also have here keys. One is for my car and then the other one is to get in my building. And then here I have this little sanitizer purse that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond probably like a year and a half ago. I really like this because I always carry hand sanitizer. So this is the hand sanitizer that I have. I don't even know if this is available anymore, but this is the stress relief, and it's with essential oils, which I like a lot. It doesn't really dry out your hands. And then I also have here my Birch Beads Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. This is very old and it looks really dirty, but it's not. It's just that I have very dry cuticles because I constantly wash my hands, and I'm always using this. And I have to be honest, sometimes I also use this as lotion, so it goes a long way. Now, as far as makeup, I don't really carry a lot in this bag with makeup. I've been trying to simplify how much makeup I need to take, because if I think about it, like how much, I don't really use powder throughout the day or anything. If anything, I kind of retouch my lipsticks. So here I have 2 lipsticks. And the ones that I have been using lately is this one from Clinique, and it's the Chubby Stick, and this is in the color Watermelon. I like these chubby sticks because it has the tube at the end and you just twist it and then the color pops up. Let me just do this. And it's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's totally worth it because it really doesn't make a mess. See, like, this is why I love makeup, when brands come out with stuff like this. This is perfect. All right, and then the other color that I've been using is this one from Stila. I am a huge fan of Stila, especially their matte lipsticks. I think they're great, and the color is Patina. So these are the 2 that I am wearing right now, in case anyone is wondering. So I'll make sure to list these as well. Okay, and then the other thing that I have, and it's in the back pocket, are some tissues. And my bag is empty. Now, I do want to just share something real quick because I did not include my phone. The reason for that is because I always use my phone, and most of the time I carry it in my hand. So if I leave the house, I just grab my bag and my phone. So I don't really use it. But if I am going out in the evening, whenever that's gonna happen, I don't really take most of this stuff. So when that happens, I will take my phone, and obviously I will put it in my bag. So I just wanted to share that because I don't know if I've shared that I put my phone inside my bags before in my other videos. So just wanted to bring that up real quick. Okay, now let's get into the review. So this bag comes in 3 sizes. It's in the small, the medium, and the large. When a fashion house comes out with a style and it has many different sizes, I always go for the medium. I find it that the small is a little too small for my body frame. I'm about 5'6.5", 5'7", at least that's what I was told last time, so I'll take 5'7". And the medium works well, and I feel that if I get a larger bag, it's just an excuse for me to just put more stuff in my bag, and it makes it much heavier. So I try to be cautious about that. So I went for the medium. Now I got this bag when I was in London last fall, and the YSL store there is amazing. Everybody was super nice, and they have everything under the sun. So I was literally there for like 4 hours. This bag was on my vision board for about 4.5 years. I love this envelope style. I think it's great. I think it's very sophisticated looking, and I like it that it's simple but yet can be classy. Another reason why I like this bag is because you can kind of dress up and down with this. So say for example you have a Louis Vuitton Neverfull or something like that, and you're looking for something that is a little bit more classy but yet you can get a lot more use out of it. The envelope bag is great. Now in terms of styling, you can use the bag like how I use it with the 2 straps over your shoulder, or you can take one of the straps down, and I like it because now you can really see the envelope style, and you can just carry it this way, which I don't really use it like that anymore. I used to many years ago, but now I've gotten used to the 2. Or you can also use it crossbody. So you have many different ways to use the bag. I think it's a very elegant bag in terms of I can dress up your outfit. So if you're wearing like a tee and some jeans and you rock this with sneakers, forget it. It makes your outfit. So that's why I really like it. The back pocket I don't really use, and I just want to mention that as well, because most of the bags that I have, I don't really use a back pocket. If I do, it's because I need to maybe just store my phone, or maybe I just have like some, I don't know, somebody gives me like a flyer or something and I'll put it in a bag. But for the most part, I really don't use it. But you also have the back pocket to use for storage if you like. Now, my thoughts about this is that I like the leather. I mentioned it before is in the video. Is the durability of this 100% calfskin leather. I have to tell you, I think YSL is doing an amazing job with this, because at first, when you consider getting this bag, I just want to say it is stiff, and over time it will, soften up. So just kind of be mindful of that. So a lot of people might not like it because it's a little too boxy, but I think that if you want something a little bit more structured, and maybe you want to get a little bit more organized, this bag will definitely do that for you, because it would force you, because it's quite not small, but if you go for the medium size, you really can't fit a lot of things. I mean, I guess you can take other things out and maybe put like a makeup bag in here, but I don't really do that. So it's totally up to you. Now the price for this is, I believe, $2,190. I will make sure that that is correct, but either way, I would put the price and the measurements for you guys on the screen and on the description box. Now, the other thing that I like about this bag is also are all the colors that they have available. I saw this at the store in a bright blue. I saw it in pink. I saw it in the beige with the silver, the beige with the gold. I mean, it's just amazing, all the colors that they have. Now, I have to admit that I was looking at the gray with the gold and this amazing olive green they had. It was like a dark olive with the silver, if I'm not mistaken, and I couldn't really decide. But I went for more of a classic color because I really don't have a gray in my collection, and that was the reason for it. But I was also looking at the beige. I just get a little, I don't know, concerned with the beige. If you guys have this envelope bag in the beige, please let me know, because I just get nervous wearing jeans with it, and I don't know if that's something that will happen with this type of leather. But either way, the colors are amazing and the options are a ton, so you definitely have plenty to choose from. All right, guys, so that is my review. I have to say, do I love this bag? Yes. So I think it's worth it? Absolutely. If you go for the large, if you go for the small medium, it's totally a personal choice. Either way, I think it's a great bag. I think it's a beautiful addition to your collection. If you're just starting out and you're looking for maybe a second piece or third piece, highly recommend the YSLs. If you're still on the fence about YSL, start with an SLG. These are great. You will love these. And I just wanted to share quickly how over time it loosens up because of the bag, how stiff it is. So I think I've been using this one more than the black, but see, like over time it would work well for you, versus like with the black that I don't use as much. I really can't. I have to like kind of force my hand. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, let me know what you guys thought about the video. Please share your comments about this bag. Let me know if you have it, and if you have it in other colors, I would love to know. Send me pictures. Make sure you follow me on social media. I'll make sure to link everything for you guys below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And I'll see you guys very soon. Please stay safe. Bye.